Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 6 proven risk identification techniques. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Effective enterprise risk management, ERM, hinges on robust risk identification strategies that enable organizations to anticipate and address potential threats. By implementing key techniques, businesses can enhance their risk identification processes and protect their objectives. Here, we delve into 6 proven methods for identifying risks in ERM. Stakeholder engagement. Engage stakeholders at all levels to gather diverse perspectives on potential risks, leveraging their insights to identify both internal and external threats. Risk workshops and brainstorming sessions. Facilitate interactive workshops and brainstorming sessions involving key stakeholders to systematically uncover risks and foster collaborative discussions. SWOT analysis. Utilize SWOT analysis to assess internal and external factors impacting the organization, identifying risks and opportunities relevant to the business environment. Historical data analysis. Analyze past incidents and near misses to identify recurring patterns and areas of vulnerability, learning from past experiences to enhance risk identification accuracy. Scenario analysis. Conduct scenario analysis to evaluate the potential impact of various risk scenarios on business objectives, preparing the organization for future uncertainties. Technology and data analytics. Leverage technology and data analytics tools to analyze vast amounts of data and detect emerging risks, gaining valuable insights for proactive risk identification. Conclusion. Implementing these 6 proven techniques empowers organizations to strengthen their risk identification capabilities in ERM, laying the groundwork for proactive risk management and informed decision-making. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.